Hello, hope you're all doing fine. So today I have a simple challenge for React users. So we are going to create a simple React application that displays a counter and allows users to increment and decrement the counter value. So we shall name it React counter. So it will be able to display the current counter value. We shall be able to increment the counter and decrement it, and we shall initialize the counter value to 0. So let me show you the one I did, how it works, and that's how I want yours to be working. So this is mine. So when you click on increment, you will see that it will keep on adding, and when you click on decrement, it will keep on decreasing, and when you click on restart, it will go back to 0. So hope you can all come up with something like this. When you click on increment, it keeps on adding, and when you click on decrement. So I'll be back, all of you. So now let us do our challenge together. First of all, let us import our React. Let us first import our React, and also let us import our use state. So let us continue and define our new component called app. So now, using the use state hook, let us create our piece of state called count. Const count set count. So this state will help us keep track of the current counter value. So now let us go ahead and create our buttons. Let's go ahead and create our buttons. So we shall be with four buttons. The increment button, the decrement button, and also the restart button. So after create functions, these functions will be called whenever the user interacts with the buttons. So our first function, let us call it handle increment. This one will be handling the increment values. Handle increment. Set count. Count plus 1, our next function will be decrement. Let me just copy this and paste it. Copy, then paste, and let me change this to decrement. Decrement, and this one to a minus, and another one for restart, to handle the reset. It has to be here, the reset, and change this to 0. So after doing that, so we need our users to be interacting with our buttons. So now let us use the on-click event. Let us use the on-click event handler. So this specifies what the user should be doing with each button. So let us add here on-click and handle increment. This one is for handling the increment, and this is for handling decrement. And the last one is for handling the reset. Click, handle, and reset. So let us add here a few things. Let us add a heading and call it counter, and also let us add our current count, this will be displaying our current count and passing our count. So let me save, then after let me run our server. As you can see, when you click increment, it will keep on adding. So when you click decrement, it will keep on decreasing our count, decreasing even up to negatives. So when you click reset, it will go back to 0. So thank you for watching. That is our challenge for today. So keep on following for more challenges. Have a nice day.